Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to solve the shared album invite is not showing up. And I have 3 ways how you can fix this. The first way is go to settings, then go to privacy and security, and then scroll down and make sure that you turn off the lockdown mode like this. So when it says turn on, then you are 100% sure that you turn off the lockdown mode. Then from here we go back and we go back. Then we click here on our own account. And then from here we click on iCloud. And then right here we click on photos. And then make sure that you click on or turn on sync this iPhone. So right now we know that we sync our phone. And then if you scroll down, you have here the option shared albums. Make sure that you turn this one on. And now comes the most important part of inviting someone, because a lot of people are making the mistake that when you invite a person, that you invite that person with his number. But you need to invite this person with his email. So let's see, if I go to my photos, just like here, and I scroll down and I go to my test shared album, just like this, click on test, and I want to invite someone, then I click here on the 3 dots, shared album details, and then I click on invite. And right now, if I'm searching here for this, and I scroll down, I need to invite a person with his email, like his Apple ID, not only his number. So it's very important that you are 100% sure that you invited a person with his email. And if his email is not showing up just right here, then make sure that you added his email to his number. So this is the last and, in my opinion, the most common way how you can fix this. But hey, if I helped you out with this video, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.